I'll be showing you how you can design a book with pixellab on your phone. So the first thing we are going to be doing right now is that we are going to be changing our image size to 1600 2560. So we have something like this, and then we are going to delete the new text in the middle, and we are going to change the color. But note, I'm using gradient. I'm not using color, I'm using gradient, and I'm using this color. This is what the color is comprised of. So can you see? So that is the color I'm using. It's not totally white and it's not totally purple. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to import the image we are going to be using for the design on the book. So I'm going to be clicking on my gallery. I'm waiting for my gallery to open right now. So we are looking for the image. The image is right over here. I'm waiting for it to open. So we have something like this. We are going to increase the size. Let me check if this is enough. So we have something like this. So we have something like this. So let's try and lock this so that it won't be giving us any problem. So we are going to click on shape, and we are going to give it some radius. So let's try and give it more radius. Let's first get what we are looking for. So we have something like this. Let's try to reduce the size, and then we place it in the middle. So we are going to be clicking on shape. We have something like this. So we are going to be using this color. And we are going to emboss it. Let's try and use this color. Okay, yes, this color. It's like we already get what we are looking for. So we are increasing the light angle to 31, and then let's give it a little bit of shadow. So let's try and copy this. And we are going to bring it to the middle. Let's try and lock both so that they won't be giving us problem. And then we are going to write my name. You can write your name, but we are writing the name of the person that owns the book. So I'm going to be changing to color white, and I'm going to be using this font. Let me try if I can still bolden it a little bit so it's okay like this. So I'm going to increase the right padding, and I'm going to reduce the size. So I'll place it in the middle. So the next thing we are going to be doing is that we are going to be clicking on this and we are going to copy it. We are going to bring it down. So we move this up a little bit. Okay, so something like this is alright. So the next thing we are going to be writing is let's try and write legacy edition. So we are going to give it color white and we are going to give it this font. Let's do this first before moving. Go and download this font if you have not. So we are going to reduce the size and then we properly place it in the middle and then we bring it down. There's actually a way we can do this. So let's try and copy this and then we're going to write expansion with new materials. So we are going to give it this color. So let's bring it up. So we have something like this. So something like this is alright. So what we are going to be writing is our text, the name of the book. Let's write vessel first. We are going to be using this font. You need to go and download this font if you have not. I like it also. Califer. So we are going to increase the right padding. We are going to increase the size. I'll give you this color. So we are going to copy it and then we are going to edit it. We are going to highlight. So we have something like this. Then we are going to be writing this. Click on color. Then give you this font. You can download that also. Let's try and copy it. So bring it down to their middle. So we have something like this. The vessel of light is what we are trying to design about. So the last thing we are going to be doing right now is we are going to import this ribbon. Is it ribbon or ribbon? We are going to import it to the to make the background look nice. I will send it to the group. Okay, something like this. This one, this is it. So let's try and increase the size. So something like this is nice. So what you are going to do is you are going to click on this layer stuff, then you are going to press this and then you drag it down. You drag it down. So you have something like this. You don't have it on top of the image, so you have it at the back. So you have something like this. So you are going to save your image as ultra. Then you save to your gallery. Make a spine. I want to make the spine cover of the book, and you know there is front, there is back, and there is this side view of a book, and it's called spine. So what we are going to do is we are going to delete all this. We don't need it any longer. We are going to delete. So we are going to be giving we are going to be changing the size of this to 2085. So we have something like this, and you're going to be importing your shape. Give it that color. You click on it. You copy it and you bring it down. So you are going to be writing the name of the book. I want to make it in capital letters, so I have this. So I'm going to change the color to this. I'll give you this font. And we're going to rotate to 90. So we have this. So I want to reduce the size. Let me first increase the right padding. I want to reduce the size. This is okay, so I will place it in the middle. Let me try and copy this. Copy. I'm going to write my name. So I'll bring it down. Let me try and lock this so that it won't give me a problem. But I'll be changing the color of this to this, and I'll be reducing the size a little bit. So I have something like this. I'll now place it in the middle. So my spine is ready. And then I save my image as ultra.